Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my DIY paddle board. So, I'll tell you about it. So, it's a small board that moves when we turn paddle-like sticks in the water. So, it's called a paddle board because it uses paddles to make it go forward. So, the science idea is, turning the paddles pushes the water backward, making the boat move forward. So it shows how the pushing water creates a force that propels the boat forward. So it's made with popsicles, rubber bands, glue and tape to make it steady. So it helps us learn about how things move in water and how forces work. So it sparks your interest in both engineering and renewable energy exploration. So I have some experiment ideas for you. So you can try the different paddle shapes, or adding some weights to see what happens. Let's find out the working principle of it. So it works on the Newton's third law. So which is turning the paddles generates a reaction force, propelling the boat forward. Buoyancy. So the boat floats due to being lighter than the water it displaces. And energy conversion. So, like when you stretch the rubber band, the potential energy powers the boat's movement. Kinetic energy powers the boat's movement. So, if you want to see more of my sciences, check out my playlist. My simple machine, robotic hand.
Hello, I'm here.
Let me paddle scientist.
Today I'm going.
Lava.
Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you. Hello, everybody.
The respiratory system. Boat by and Playto by. Boat by and Playto by. Have fun. I'll be back with even more science. Goodbye and Playto by.